Welcome back to my channel. I'm Aalyaan. Today we are going to be going to Kankaria. It's fun place. I don't know.
We are at Kankaria now. Here we go.
Yeah.
Kankaria Lake. There we go.
Ooh, look at that picture. Look at that picture. Right there, that hand holding the bag.
Alright, Aayat. What do you think?
We're in Kankaria. It was just raining like 5 seconds ago and it stopped. Well,
So what Aayat is talking about is right over there. We just entered from the main entrance.
It's like moonlight shaped thingy, and there's one row here and another one here, and then you go like whoosh, whoosh.
This is where the train comes in from. We are at Kankaria right now. That is Kankaria Talag. You can see the boats are there as well. There's a pretty big lake, guys. Pretty big lake.
Oh look, down there there's some rides over there, little rides down there, right there. You see those mini elephants? And come here, you beauty mans.
We are now going into a fish museum, I believe. There goes Aayat. That's black angel fish. Black angel fish. This is a silver dollar fish.
Color widow fishes, or barfish.
This is tinfoil barfish. That's Denison barfish. This is a milky koi fish. Wow, look at that. Unbelievable beauty. This is 𝗪𝗵𝗁 fish. Look at that. This is a koi carp fish.
This is definitely the flower horn. I've seen it. This is the flower horn fish.
How is it? So far good? This is color widow fish. Look at this. It all has orange, red, green, white, all. What is that, Aayat?
These are goldfishes.
These are goldfishes? Wow, that's fantastic, Aayat. What's the next one? This is our one. Guys, tiger shark, tiger shark. Look at that.
Up here, these are
This is an alligator guard. Look at that.
Look at that, babe.
Oh. Look at that. Night view.
Guys, there's bats up there.
Yeah.
Two bats.
There you go.
Okay, that's creepy. And how did these bats get here? I thought
Lights all around. Plenty of space over here. Just sit, enjoy, relax. I know it's kind of. This is Nagina Wadi right here. Wait, I think they're probably closed by now. They have rides over here as well.
This is a theme
You can
park.
see a roller coaster there too.
There's go-karts and everything. You can possibly.
In the back, there's more stuff in the back. I think that's called 𝗪𝗶𝗂 𝗪𝗶𝘁. I think it's not open yet or something. As you can see, it says coming soon. People are just waiting for it to come. But yeah, this is 𝗪𝗶𝗂. This is all the food court over here. So the train is here. Bye. We are now heading into Adventure World. You all for watching Awesome A2, and it's time to say goodbye at Kankaria. Say bye-bye. Bye guys. Yay, everybody in the background. Aayat is right here. Say bye-bye. And together bye-bye. Bye-bye.